Welcome to the M&O TheoryFix question and answer catch-up series. Missed our TikTok live? Don't worry. This is your official catch-up replay. Learn at your own pace with our Viper method. And if you're new, welcome aboard. Now, let's dive in.
What does this sign mean? Route for trams only. Route for buses only.
It's a
Parking
good
for
sign.
buses only.
Thank you for
Parking
that.
for trams only.
Lovely, lovely, guys. We got 7A. A is saying A. Ella saying A. Aderoka saying A. Blessed D saying A. Sean saying A. Sidna saying A. Blessed is confident again saying A. Uma saying A. J-Boy saying A. Oyi, how are you today? Saying A. Rachel, everybody's fully confident today. Okay. Let me get us from. Let me see who understand this. Guys, how many signs are we seeing here? How many? How many road sign? How many road sign are we seeing here? How many? Could someone tell me? Lovely. How many road sign? Is it 1? Is it 2? How many road sign? How many road sign are we seeing here, guys? Lovely is saying 2. BJ is saying 2. Aderoka is saying 2. Sean is saying 2. Blessed Day is saying 2. 2, 2, 2. Good. What is this one telling us? Is it giving us order or is it giving us warning? 1, 2. Is it giving us order or giving us warning? It cannot be order and warning. Guys, blessed day, correct yourself. It's giving us order. Lovely saying giving us order. Empty saying 1, giving us order. Teju saying giving us order. Blessed day has corrected herself, saying order. Lovely. Order information. Lovely. Lovely, that's not the question. What is mostly obey? Yeah, you must obey because that's a tram. Yeah. So there's a lot of information there. So what order is it giving us? Is it a bus or a tram? 1, 2. Is it bus or a tram? What order is it telling us? Lovely. Everybody's saying it with confidence. Yes, yes, yes. Congratulations, everyone. Tram. Lovely. What? Who can tell me this shape, this sign? What sign is this one? What sign is it? What shape of sign is this one? What shape of sign is this one? Thanks for joining, guys. What shape of sign? What shape of sign is this one? I don't want to give you option. I want you to say it. Yeah, information. I'm not saying what is this saying. What shape? Shape. I know it's this information. Good. Rectangle. Lovely. I'm not saying what is this saying. I said what shape? What shape? What shape? Shape. Good. Rectangle. Lovely. So now that's the question. So what is the shape telling us? What is it telling us? What is it telling us? Is it giving us order or is it giving us information? Is it giving us order or information? Lovely students. Lovely student. Is it giving us order or information? Lovely. Lovely. Thank you so much, guys. I know why I'm trying to break this down so that to be sure of you know what you're saying. Lovely. 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 Thank you so much, student. Thank you. Thank you.
Parking for trams only.
So A is the correct answer. I know you all smash it.
What does this sign mean? Humps in the road, entrance to tunnel, hump bridge, soft verges.
Yes. Tajima saying A. Sydney saying A. Angela is saying A. Sugar Girl saying A. Everybody saying A. Blessed they all have other options saying C. Adirunka is saying C. A. J-Boy saying A. Mommy saying A. Blessed they has correct and E herself saying A. Everybody saying A with confidence. 74. Thanks for joining us, guys. Apple is saying A. Climb saying A. Sorry, it was a mistake. Don't worry. You can make a mistake here when you exam. You get it right. That's what we want. Everybody is saying A with confidence. A is the correct answer, guys.
Who is authorized to signal you to stop? A motorcyclist, a pedestrian, a police officer, a bus driver.
Sean saying C. Rachel saying C. Auntie saying police officer C. Teju saying C. Angela saying C. Ahmed saying C. Christopher saying C. Owen saying C. Everybody saying C. Answer with confidence. Lovely students, lovely students.
You intend to turn left at the traffic lights. What should you do just before turning? Move up closer to the car ahead. Check for bicycles on your left. Check your right mirror. Move out to the right.
Sean saying B. Oleg, how are you today? Saying B. J-Boy saying B. Teju saying B. Sugar Girl saying B. Blessed C. Rachel, Auntie, everybody saying B. B with confidence. Who can tell me what's going on with this one? Okay. I think I need to get my pen. It's messing me up. Okay. Let's move on. So, B is the correct answer.
You're traveling along a residential street. There are parked vehicles on the left-hand side. Why should you keep your speed down? There may be delivery lorries on the street, so that oncoming traffic can see you more clearly. You may set off car alarms. Children may run out from between the vehicles.
Auntie is saying D. Rachel is saying D. Adirunk is saying B. Everybody is saying D. Teju writing with confidence B. Blessed Day is saying D. With confidence again saying D. Aggie, thanks for joining us. Raja, thanks for joining us. Saying CD. Mommy saying CD. I know what you want to say is D. I know D. Good guys. D is the correct answer, guys.
You're driving on a one-way street. What should you do if you realize you've taken the wrong route? Reverse into a driveway. Reverse out of the road. Turn around in a side road. Continue and find another route.
Yeah. BJ saying D. Everyone is saying with confidence D. J-Boy saying C. You're taking a one-way street. Continue until you find another road. Yeah, JD is changing his mind, saying D. D. That you saying D. We got 51 in the house, guys. D is the correct answer, guys.
What does this sign mean? Steep hill upwards, uneven road, adverse camber, steep hill downwards.
BJ saying D, Angie D saying D, Adiranka saying D, J Boy saying D, Lovely saying D, Aiden saying D, Blessed Day saying D, Sydney saying S, but I know it's D she wants to say, Angela saying D, Blessed saying D, everyone saying D. Why is it 10%? Guys, what should you do when you are driving on this 10%? It's going down. 1. Are you going to accelerate, like speed, or use your brake? You're going 10%. Are you going to accelerate? You're going down with your car. Good. I can see 2. I can see 2. B. Good. It is 4. What is 4? Sleepy here. We're not talking about that. Yeah. 2. Lovely student. So when you're talking about brake, are you going to apply a gentle brake or full brake? Gentle brake or full brake to the end? How do you do it? Yes, Auntie saying gentle brake. J-Boy saying A, gentle brake. Everyone's answering a gentle mind. J-A, gentle brake. Christopher, oh, my. What is my? My brake. Marvin saying 1, gentle brake. Lovely. Eden saying gentle brake. Everyone is answering with confidence. Lovely. Settle with B. Lovely. Lovely. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's move on.
Steep hill downwards.
So the answer is steep hill downward. Lovely, students.
Which sign means no stopping?
Which sign means no stopping? J is saying A, Adiranka saying A, Lovely saying A, Angie B saying 4. What is 4? We don't know what I mean by 4. Could you tell us, please? Adiranka saying A, Marvin saying A, Sean saying A, Aiden saying A. Okay, Angie have changed her mind saying A. Lovely. So A is the correct answer, guys. How many of us know this road? No stopping. What color? Come on with this, yeah? Lovely. This is how it was, guys. It's always on this road, okay? It's called the red route. When you see it, no stopping at all, okay? Yeah, no stopping at all, okay? If it's single lane, they will tell you it's a particular time you need to stop, all right? And they'll tell you when, okay? So on this side, guys, could someone tell me, this is an example, no stopping. If there's no sign there, will you stop on this road? If this sign is not there, would you stop on this road? Yes or no? I can't see my answer. I can't send my answer. Okay, that's fine. No. Why can't we stop on this road? What about if your car breaks down? Double red line. Lovely.
If this helped you, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your next question in the comments. Watch the next video now to stay on track. Each one gets you closer to passing your test.